It is June 14th. We have been working on this sucker for 9 months, but today my work has been all about paint. So has Corey's. Corey's been also pulling up fiber optics and taking off gutters, and for the rest of the calamities we're dealing with right now. But this calamity is looking a little bit more like a compass, isn't it, honey? Look at all of that. We got the stripes on, the always an adventure. The fender gives you an idea of what things are going to look like clear coated, because this all needs to be clear coated. But Corey has been working on painting the inside of that so it looks better. So yeah, there's just something about the aesthetics that make things feel better, don't you think? I do. Walking out into the yard and seeing this instead of half painted, and pretty exciting. Always an adventure?
Always an adventure.
I guess it is. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.